Saltwater fishing has always been a passion. My name is Derek Taguchi. I'm the owner of Simply Fish Seafood. Our business is probably 30% delivery, which is a great number. My choice to do Uber as an exclusive was really a positive for me. Out of all the delivery services, they were the ones who performed the best. The drivers, they're very polite. They check things too to make sure that it's correct. My Uber representative, Lauren Davison, has been a blessing to me. We brainstorm and she comes up with creative new ideas. We do a lot of marketing with Uber. I take my most profitable food cost items and market those as buy one, get one free. The profitability is really great. We get 3 times as much business as we would. In today's times, I think anybody that's not doing delivery is missing out. You're promoting your business, your name is out there. I'm building a clientele, not just for delivery, but also for the restaurant.